and without telling me?
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
I want to go see a friend.
Which of your friends?
My schoolmate. You know I'll be traveling to the UK soon. So I want to go so we can discuss and plan our trip.
And you are going dressed like this, without any maid?
Mom, must the maid follow me everywhere I go? And must I dress like a princess all the time? Look, the reason I didn't tell you is because it came out so urgent.
So, when are you coming back?
Next week.
Eh? Next week, Ikwa? Princess!
Mom, I'm running late. I have to go.
Princess.
Mama, I came to stay a few days with you and also to help in the house.
I don't understand you. You came to stay a few days with me in this house.
Yes.
And you want to go to the farm with me?
Yes. I want to go to the farm.
What do you mean?
Mama, it seems you're ready to go to the farm. Let me go and drop my bag inside so we can go. Mama, is there a car inside?
Yes, there is a rubber hanging on the rope inside there. What's the meaning of this? All this girl is not going to put me in trouble one day. Whatever. You've been working for too long. You need to rest. Are you not tired?
Mama, I'm not tired. You should be the one to rest.
No. Have I started? Take some water.
No, Mama, I'm okay. I don't need water.
Here.
Oh.
Rest more now. One.
I'm okay. Don't worry.
Are you sure of this?
Yes, Mama. We'll be done soon.
Your Majesty.
My queen, I haven't seen to Ben since morning. Where is she? Did you send her somewhere?
Oh, she went to her friend's place. She said she will be there for a day or two.
And nobody bothered to tell me about it?
She didn't even tell me. It's just that I saw her leaving.
And who is this her friend she went to visit?
My king, I don't even know. But she said that they were both together in school and both of them are going to the UK for their masters.
Even then now, supposed to have been told.
My king, please, forgive her. Just forgive her. I'm sure when she gets back, you people will sort it out.
But we didn't bring them up like this. Why did you let her go without letting me know about it?
She's still your princess. Your one and
Don't
only.
allow that to happen next time.
All right, my king. Sorry about that. Ozoma, come now. Why are you walking like a mamaro? See, His Majesty wants to eat onubu soup. Eh? So I want you to run to the market. Buy mangala fish and bitter leaf. Buy the one no chara chara. Don't buy the one that is bitter. You can't for off, man. Buy it and come and make the soup. Fast. Kita inata go.
Yes, Sijara, okay? Come back next How much, Ozioma?
But princess, shh, what are you doing here?
Keep your voice down. Do you want people to know that I'm a princess? How much bitter leaf do you want to buy?
But princess, your father the Igwe has everything to make you comfortable. Why are you saying bitter leaf in a local market?
Ozioma, what is your problem? How much bitter leaf do you want to buy? Eh? And don't go back to the palace telling anybody you saw me here. Don't do that. Look, I'm trying to help Mommy Norma. You know that woman is suffering. She doesn't have anybody. So I'm trying to raise money for her. If you tell anybody that you saw me here, when I get to the palace, I will make sure you lose your job. Did you hear me?
Yes, my princess.
How much bitter leaf?
6 wraps.
$5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000. Mama, I was able to make 6,500 from today's bitter leaf sales.
Only today?
Mm-hmm.
You made all this money?
Yes, now.
From that bitter leaf?
Hey!
Hey!
Don't worry, tomorrow I will wash more, go to the market and make more money.
That means if I have a bitter leaf factory or produce it much, I will sell.
Mom, you will make lots of money. This one is just small though.
Hold the money. Hold it. And divide it into 2. Give me 1 part. We hold 1 part.
Mama, no. For what now? All this money is yours.
I should have the money. All of it.
I even wish it was more so that you will have enough for yourself.
All this money for me.
Mama, it's for you. It's your money.
Thank you. May God bless you. Come here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey. Oh, well.
Mama, let me drop this thing inside.
You make fire so that we can start cooking. Oh?
Okay.
Oh. Hey! Makakwano.
Ozoma, for some days now you have been in this mood and you refuse to talk to anybody. What's the problem? Talk to me. I may be of help.
Nothing. I am fine. I'm fine.
No, Ozoma, you're not. I know you too well and I know when things are bothering you. Talk to me.
Adora, I am disturbed. I am disturbed.
I know. It's written over you. What is the problem? Talk to me.
This thing I'm going to tell you now, you need to promise me that you keep it a secret. Not even our fellow maidens must hear this.
I promise.
If you do, I'll be in big trouble.
Okay, I promise you. I will not tell anybody.
2 days ago, when I went to the market to buy mangala fish and bitter leaf for the queen, guess who I saw selling the bitter leaf in the market?
Who do you see?
Princess Dubem.
I don't understand. How could that be possible?
I am telling you who I saw. She was even the one that sold bitter leaf to me.
What is she going to use the money for that her parents cannot provide for her?
When I asked her, my sister, she said she's helping Mommy Norma to raise money. Now I'm just imagining how the princess would just leave this mansion and go to that slum to stay.
I told the princess she went to her friend's house.
Nema Selcha. Ezibo Ase. She was just saying that to confuse the queen. I saw her in the market. She even sold bitter leaf to me. Eh?
I don't understand.
I saw her.
Hello. What are you doing here?
Nothing, my friends.
You have nothing to do? No chores, nothing?
No, my friends.
What are you saying to her?
Sir? Nothing, my prince.
What did you say about the princess?
Nothing, my prince, nothing.
Follow me.
What have I done to say?
Stand over there. Son,
What happened?
Mom, where's the princess?
She said she was going to visit her friend. Both of them are going to the UK together.
I know you said that, but are you sure of that information?
That was what she told me.
Okay. Hey, tell my mother what you told your colleague outside. Now.
My queen, it is...
Ozioma, what is it? Can't you talk?
It's about the princess, my queen.
What about the princess?
She was selling bitter leaf in the market.
Bitter what? Are you okay? What do you mean? Ozioma, come here. What do you mean by that?
Talk to us.
I said I saw the princess in the market selling bitter leaf. She even sold bitter leaf to me.
What? Bitter leaf from her?
My own daughter! My king.
My princess, I am beginning to get worried.
Worried about?
I want you to go back to your parents. I want you to go back to the palace before your parents start looking for you. And if they find out you're here,
That's another trouble for me.
Mama, I want to go to the market and sell this bitter leaf to make more money.
That won't be necessary.
They will not find out that I'm here. And even if they do, nothing will happen. Eh?
That won't be necessary. See, I want you to go back. If they find out, they will kill me.
Kill you?
That's a big problem for me, for my sake.
Mama, don't worry yourself. Don't worry, don't bother.
Honestly, I am not comfortable at all. I am not.
Alright, I will go back tomorrow. Are you happy now?
Yes, I am.
Oh, so it's true. It's true that my daughter is in this place. What are you people doing here? Norma, what did I do to you? That you have used your witchcraft to bewitch my daughter, making her not to act normal again. If not, tell me what she is doing in this goat's barn. Ah! Princess, when you left the palace a few days ago, you told me you were going to see a friend. Tell me, is this God-forsaken Bacha your friend's house? What are you turning yourself into? Look at how you look. Look at you, looking like a mad woman, washing bitter leaf. I even heard that you now sell bitter leaf at the village local market. Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, I'm very okay. So because somebody told you he or she saw me at the market selling bitter leaf, that's why you both left what you were doing to come here to look for me. Okay, you've seen me. So what next? And point of correction, nobody charmed or bewitched me. Yes, I will advise you go back to the palace. I will come when I'm ready.
That's a big fat lie. You're coming with me now.
And if I refuse?
I'll drag you like a little child. In fact, I'll put you in my trunk and take you back to the palace where you belong.
Norma. What are you waiting for?
Go back.
Do it!
Norma.
Come drag me out!
Norma, have you seen what you have done? Have you seen what you have done? Look at my daughter. Looking like a wretched old hag. A princess of Aloma Kingdom. Norma, have you seen what you have done? Princess.
Mom.
Princess.
Mom, I'm not going anywhere. Go back to the palace. I'm not going anywhere. You both should go back.
How dare you? What are you saying to her?
I'm asking her to follow you.
What are you saying to her?
I said she should follow you to the palace.
You have bewitched my sister.
Don't talk to her like that. Don't you dare talk to her like that.
Are you out of your mind? Don't you understand what you're made of? What are you doing here?
I want you to get out of this place.
How dare you? Are you talking back at me?
Yes. You don't want to leave, right?
Are you out of your mind?
No, you don't want to leave. Watch me.
Princess.
Get out!
Princess!
Get out!
What are you doing?
Hey!
I want you to leave this place.
Wait, Princess, you want to use this on your twin brother?
Mama, I would do it. If you both don't leave this place right now.
You want to kill him?
I said get out!
This is your fault. This is your fault.
Relax! Don't you run! Are you okay? Why will you touch her? Don't touch her like that.
You've been bewitched. Do you know that?
Get out!
You're under a spell.
Get out!
You're under.
Get out! Get out! Come back here again and see!
What is your problem? What is wrong with you? You almost hurt your brother. Just because of that useless woman. And beginning to believe what your mother says every now and then, that that woman had cast a spell on you because your behavior is no longer normal. What's so special about her that you are using that woman to cause nightmare in my palace, in my household every day? Why? If you don't stop this nonsense, trust me, I will cancel your trip to the UK.
Hey, no, Your Majesty. Please don't do that. Cancelling her trip means leaving her. It will cause a lot of problem. Please let her go so that in the meantime this nonsense will stop. Imagine her walking out on us.
Dad, I walked away from that situation because of the respect I have for royalty. Else, I would have taught her a lesson.
That will too. Your sister. My friend, go to your room and rest. If that stick had landed on your head, hospital. Your Majesty, if you see the big stick your daughter carried, that's by the way.
Oh,
please.
because of her lesson.
That useless
She
woman.
had actually landed it on his head, like you're saying.
Hospital.
Well,
Your Majesty.
Biko.
Let her go. Don't cancel the trip.
So you still want her to go to the UK?
Yes. Let her go so that she will forget everything about Norma.
What makes you think she wouldn't run away?
Run away. So where? With which money?
So Osioma, after all my warnings that you shouldn't tell anyone, you still went ahead and told the prince everything. Is it that you have a basket mouth that can't keep secrets?
My princess, I am sorry. It wasn't an intentional act. It was Adora that caused it.
Adora. Adora. Did Adora see me in the market selling bitter leaf? Did she? So what are you saying? You told Adora, then the prince heard it. After all my warnings to you.
I'm sorry, my princess. I swear, my princess, it will not happen again. I'm sorry. Please
My friend, get
forgive
out.
me.
Get out of this place. Before you see another side of me. Every time your mouth will be running like a leaking tap.
My parents keep asking me when you are coming to see them.
I intend to see them, but then I would like to consult with my father and my mother. Then I'll give you a feedback, I promise.
When would that be?
Very soon. Listen, you have nothing to worry about. As soon as I talk to my father, I'll come and see your people.
Hey, young lady. Getting married to my brother the prince will not work if he doesn't do the needful. So you see all this discussion you're having concerning marriage? It's just a waste of energy. So I advise you get up and leave.
Princess, are you out of your mind?
What? I just told her the bitter truth.
Princess! Jubin! Jubin! Come back here! I said come back here! Today is the second time you're asking my fiancé out of the palace. I find that very, very disrespectful. Let today be the first and last time you do something like that. Else, and for your information, I'm not marrying her for you. She's entirely my business, so stay away, please.
See, let me tell you, there is no need wasting your energy warning me, because it doesn't work on me. All I am saying is that you go and ask Mommy Norma for forgiveness and make peace with her. Else, no woman will step her feet into this palace as a wife, not even Tessie. Excuse me.
Prince Emeka, I suggest you go sort your sister out if you truly want to marry me. Else I'll make another choice.
Listen, I totally understand how you feel. I'm sorry about her behavior, and I promise to sort it out. Please, I'll make things right.
Mama, I came to inform you that my traveling documents are out. So I'll be traveling to the UK next tomorrow. Mama, I'm going for my master's, which will take a year and some months. I know you will miss me, but don't worry, I will be back soon. Okay? I'm not going to take much time. I will come back. Okay? This is Nkechi. Yes, I brought her here to help you until I come back. So anything you need, whatever you need her to do, she will do it perfectly. Okay?
Thank you.
Nkechi, I hope you remember everything I told you.
Yes, my princess.
Please, anything Mama asks you to do it very well. And let me remind you, Mama loves to farm. She's a very hardworking woman.
My princess, farming is not a problem. My mother is also a farmer, so farm work is not difficult. I can do that. Mama, don't worry, you're in good hands. My princess, don't worry, I will take care of her.
Please, if you do this, I promise I will get you lots of goodies when I'm coming back.
Okay, the princess is bribing me.
It's not a bribe, it's the truth.
Thank you so much, my princess.
So, Mama, do you have anything? Mama. Mama, stop now. I already told you to stop crying. Mama, if you're doing this, then let me cancel my trip.
No.
I don't want to go again.
No, don't do that.
Mama, why are you crying now?
You cannot ruin your future all because of me. I'm only crying because I know I'm going to miss you so much.
Mama, I know you will miss me. But I won't be gone for long. This is a painful sacrifice we must do for my future.
Yes, I know. And God will lead you there safely and bring you back safely in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Going to miss.
It's okay. Mama, don't cry.
Mama.
Yeah, I want you to keep this money. I want you to use this money. Use it till I come back. Alright? Anything you want to get, anything at all, just use it till I come back, okay?
Thank you.
Nkechi,
My
Biko,
princess.
take good care of Mama for me.
I will take care of her. You don't need to worry yourself.
It's okay. I won't be long, okay? I'll come back, I promise. I will.
I'm going to miss you.
And I will miss you too, Mama. I will. So, Ichie, I'll be traveling to the UK next tomorrow for my master's. And it will take a year. The reason I came to see you is to plead with you to keep an eye on Queen Norma. You know her condition in this kingdom. Please, you're a good man. And you're the only person who will come out if anything happens to speak the truth without fear or favor. Please, I want you to continue protecting her. You know she doesn't have anybody except you. Please. And when I'm coming back, I promise to get you something that you will love.
My daughter, I'm happy for you. It's a good news.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you. And I pray that the gods of our land will guide and protect your going and coming back.
It's a...
But I'm worried.
Worried?
Yeah. Who will be staying with her in that house? I mean in Norma. Who will be staying with her in that house, helping her to do some things, and even in her farm?
Ichie, don't worry yourself about that. I already found someone. Yes, I found a house help. She's even there with her now.
Eh?
Yes.
You have already done that?
I've done
Thank you so much. Princess, you are the God sent to Norma. Eh? You are the God sent to her. And I promise you, according to what you pleaded with me, I will make sure I guard and protect her in this village. Nothing will happen to her. And nobody will ever try to do any nonsense on her. Else I will deal with that person.
I trust
Don't worry.
you. I trust you. Even before I came here, I know that you will do it.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Norma.
Thank you.
Don't worry, nothing will happen to her. What will I offer you? I have a shinap.
Ichie, don't bother yourself. I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine.
Even water.
I'm okay.
Okay. Once again, congratulations. When are you traveling? Next week. No, okay.
What are you doing?
Lolo, good morning.
Don't call me that. Am I not old enough to be your mother? Call me Mama.
Mama, good morning.
But morning. I begged you to wake up early this morning to go fetch us water. We do not have water, not even a cup of water. And I'm testing. I cannot find water to drink. And here you are sweeping.
Mama, I've done that already. Look, I've filled the drums.
You done what?
Fetch the water.
What time did you wake up to have gone to the stream, fill the drum, and you're sweeping?
I woke up early. I did. I woke up early because I know you'll be hungry this morning, so I've already made breakfast.
What? Who's this girl? At times you shock me. Where did you come from?
Alright, well, just go inside. Let me round up. I will bring your breakfast.
I'll wait for you inside.
Okay. Mama, should I bring your food now?
No, I don't want to eat yet.
You look worried. What is it?
No, I am fine. Nothing.
Mama, I know you very well. I've stayed with you for some time now, so I know when you're worried, I know when you're not. Right now, you're worried. What is it?
It's a princess. I miss her so much. I don't know how she's doing over there. I hope she's good.
She's fine. I know that's why you're thinking. But Mama, you know Obodo is not like Nigeria. That place is stress-free. She's doing great. I know she's fine. My heart is telling me she's fine.
Look at who's talking. This girl. Have you forgotten I've been to the UK when I was living in the palace? You now talk about Obodo better than me that have gone there.
Stop it.
Okay, Mama obodo Igbo.
Yes.
But Mama, that's the more reason you should know that she's fine. You know that place is stress-free. It's not like here. She's fine. Which is none too much now. So, should I go bring food?
No worry, I will meet you inside and eat.
Ha. Mama, that means if I go, I'll wait for you. Because I won't eat.
No, don't worry about it. Don't wait for me. Just eat your food. When I come, I'll eat my own.
No. I'll wait for you. In fact, Mama, I'll count from 1 to 10. You will come and join me.
Deji, what is your problem? Why won't you just let me be?
Because I want you to eat.
Where did you come from? It's just to give me stress. Don't worry. I'll come and join you. I will eat.
Mama, I'm counting. Oh, Mama 1. Mama 2. Mama 3.
This girl will not kill me.
Mama 4.
Mama 5.
So, Norma, how have you been coping since Princess traveled out? I hope nobody in this community is disturbing you.
Nobody in the community has come to disturb me.
Good.
Just that I miss the princess so much. Since he traveled out, as if something left my body.
Well, that's what it should be because both of you are used to each other. You are just like mother and daughter. You're supposed to miss her. Huh?
I wish I can have her as my own biological daughter.
But she has been doing for you what a daughter can do for a mother. What is the difference? There's no difference.
Oh, Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
No. Oh.
Thank you.
Is the girl the princess brought to be helping me out here?
Okay. What's her name?
Her name is Nkechi.
Okay.
Have you eaten?
No, I was waiting for you to come back. I'm not eating yet.
Mama, why will you be waiting for me now?
When I go 1 hour will not kill me.
Okay, now no can I grow 1 hour for? You know it's not good for your health.
Now, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I hope you are taking good care of Norma Negugu.
I'm trying my best, she can testify.
Niche, she's doing so well. She's very hardworking.
It's okay. I have to be on my way. I will be coming from time to time to see you. What is that your name?
Nkechi.
Nkechi, please take good care of Norma. You know she's in the Negugu Coven. So that if you take care of her very well, when you grow old, your own daughter will also take good care of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming around.
Thank you. Norma.
I don't like what you do. I'm going to bring your food.
Am I a baby? When I'm hungry, I will eat. Lady, you're quite an arrow. I'm tired. Eat this one. Eat that.
You're here.
Hi, Mom.
What's wrong with your hand?
No, I'm just trying to massage it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, hey. Move away.
Son,
Yes, Mom.
when was the last time you saw Tessie?
Tessie.
Yes.
Not too long ago. I guess she's still mad at me. The last time she visited, the princess hurt her feelings. So she's still angry, I guess.
I was thinking that this is the right opportunity you have to do whatever you want to do with her now that the princess is out of the country. Talk to your father. You go and see her parents. Do the necessary, do the needful.
Mom, you have a point. I think I have to talk to my father about it. But Mom, sometimes she acts very weird. She acts like she has a spiritual problem.
She does not have any spiritual problem. Just do what I said because I know it's the right thing to do. Delay, they say, is dangerous. Yes.
That girl is weird.
Just go ahead and do it. Come.
Yes,
have you seen Ozioma today?
Yes, my queen.
Please, look for her and call her for me. My son,
No.
Do it fast.
All right, I'll think about it. God!
Yes, my prince.
Where's the other guy?
I think he's in the restroom.
What?
He's in the restroom.
What?
He's in the restroom.
Restroom?
Yes, sir.
Doing what?
I don't know.
Okay, tell him to meet me at the back of the house.
Okay.
Good. Now there's an opportunity for us to do our marriage. We need to fix a date. I mean, my sister has been the obstacle, but right now she's out of the country, so I need to date.
Prince, what is your problem? I am asking this question because you don't know what you're saying. The way you sound right now is as if the problem your sister talked about has not been solved. What would be the fate of our marriage if your sister comes back from the country? I am sorry. I'm not up for this kind of marriage. I am not. So, you need to just ask yourself that question. I'm sorry.
We can sort things out, right?
Do you expect me to sit down and wait for you? This, just 4 months ago we talked. All of a sudden you just come to tell me let's sort things out. I am sorry, I can't do that. I've moved on.
What do you mean you've moved on?
When you called me, I told you I am planning to go to the market. I am actually going to the market to go get what I will use for my introduction. And my husband to be is waiting for me. You cost everything and I'm sorry. I have to go.
Understand. Did you sit and say, how did it go?
It didn't go well, Mom.
How do you mean it didn't go well?
I told you that girl has a spiritual problem. She left me for another man.
How? I thought both of you have agreed to marry. Why would she leave you for another man?
Mom, stop acting ignorant. Stop acting like you don't know what's been happening in this palace. My sister insulted her. My sister humiliated her and asked her to leave the palace. And that's why she's left me for another man. It's all her fault. And that stupid woman. But it's okay. I have everything under control. Because I dealt with her mercilessly. She'll never forget me in a hurry.
I don't understand. Who did you deal with?
Who else? Who else, Mom?
Norma.
Yes.
If you've dealt with her, then why are you pacing up and down? It's good for her now, so that tomorrow she will learn to mind her business.
Of course, on my way back home, I saw her in front of my car. I came out of the car and I beat her up.
Good. You did well, my son. As for Tessie, forget her. She's not worth it.
Of course.
She's not worth you pacing up and down. It's her loss now. So you are the prince.
Yes.
You can get any girl you want.
I'm the prize.
And there are many fishes in
the ocean.
Yes.
Mom.
Just pick one girl and get married to her. Forget Tessie.
Of course, Mom.
And you are the prince.
I'm the prize, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I didn't tell you she has mouth odor.
Oh! And you are even pacing up and down for her. Son, please pick up your... Look at where you dropped it.
I was trying to manage.
Son. Are you not my son again?
God! God!
Hey, my God. Tessie, you missed.
If I slap you, Namaka! Go and call the police for me. Go and call the police. Go and call the police. Idiot. Go and call it for me. Go and call the police for me. Idiot. Obedient!
Who's that? Who?
Yeah. Namaka.
Yes?
Namaka.
What are you doing here? And why are you calling my name like that? Are you stupid? Are you out of your mind? You old man.
Shut up.
No.
Shut up!
No!
Namaka say shut up!
No!
Shut up! Are you mad? Shut up! Are you stupid? I am talking and you are talking. Shut up! I said, shut up!
What is going on here?
Yeah?
What is happening here?
Dad! This man hits my head!
Oh, you are complaining? You are complaining to your father? Okay, everything in front of you. So I'm sure that I hit you. I really hit you. Are you mad?
What has come over you?
Obidek, why are you so wicked? Why are you so wicked, Obidek? I'm talking to you, I'm asking you. Why are you and this your son so wicked and heartless?
You're calling my son useless? The heir apparent to this throne, you're calling him useless? Okay, so what's your problem?
Of course, he's a useless son. He's a useless son.
What's the problem?
You have achieved your aim to Norma, to do this your useless son. Nemeka. Okay? This your useless son. Your useless son. So Norma on her way coming back from the farm and he hit her with his car. This carton he called a car. He hit Norma with this car, and if that was not enough, he came down from the car and punched her mercilessly. Go to Norma's house now. She's lying down there half dead. Now listen to me. You people should go and take that woman to the hospital. Because if anything happens to her, if anything happens to Norma, I will call the whole community. I will call the police. I will call the whole world and tell them that you people killed her. Go and take her to the hospital.
Son, is that true?
Father, I did it out of anger.
You had him.
I beat her up.
You had him.
Then you must be stupid.
She made me lose the woman I want to marry. She broke my heart and left me for another man.
You are still bragging. You are still bragging. No. You have the man to talk because I have not given you DB. Talk now. Let me teach you the lesson of your life.
Oh, because of a woman you did that? You better go to her house right now and take her to the hospital. If anything happens to her, I, as the king, will not save you from going to prison. Are you hearing me? And do not forget that that woman is still my wife because I have not divorced her.
Hey.
Now go immediately.
She's still your wife?
Hey. Thank God you know that she's still your wife. Thank God you know you got your father. Go and take that woman to the hospital. Ochaka Omaka. Go and take that woman to the hospital. Because if anything happens to that woman, ha ha ha, ha ha ha, Nnameka, you will see what I will do to you. Don't worry.
Come here. Why were you laughing? Come here. Come here. Someone hit my head. Are you not supposed to say sorry?
Sorry, my friend.
Are you not supposed to say sorry?
Sorry, my friend.
Mom! Mom!
What are you doing here? Are you here to finish what you started?
How is she?
Ask your son.
I thought Ichie Okezie said she is dead.
My son, don't even say that. Because if anything happens to this woman, Ichie Okezie will fight you with the last drop of his blood. We'll have to do something so that she can stay alive. Even if it's Odendo Onwukama. We'll have to do something.
It's okay. I know what to do. I'll just give her some...
Is not a scam. Yes, so no man trusting him fails. No man trusting him.
No, Mama! Somebody help me! Somebody help Diana, sir! Somebody help me! Mama! Mama! Hello, Papa! She's dead! I'm touching clothes, I just went inside to check on her.
Nemeka, I am not happy with you. Every day you seem to be drifting from what we used to know you about. It looks like you're no longer interested in inheriting my estate and the throne. Because what you were told to do to be able to, meet up with all these was for you to get a wife. You brought a woman here and that's the last we saw of her. Well, that's the same reason why I decided to make sure that your mother is here present. Because I told you to go and head the Lagos branch. You said no, insisting that you want to go and head that of the China branch. And as my only son and the heir apparent to this throne, I cannot allow you travel out of this town. I must have my eyes on you. I must know your activities. I must monitor everything that you do. So I'll be very sure that this is my son, the kind of son that I desire. You are drifting. You are drifting, my son. What is the problem? Why is that girl not there? Why is another girl not there? What is going on?
Father, I understand how you feel. And I'm very sorry if I hurt your feelings. It wasn't intentional. I mean, it was to an extent, but I'm here to speak the truth. I have a confession to make.
You have a confession to make.
Father, because I was compelled to find a wife so I can take my inheritance, I became very desperate. So I started playing a game. The woman I brought to you, Tessie, was not real.
What?
She was fake. I wanted to use her to meet the conditions of my inheritance. So I brought her, but eventually things didn't work out. A lot happened. She didn't keep, to her own part of the bargain. She saw that I was unserious and, she started misbehaving and she got uninterested about the entire deal. Dad, I'm sorry about everything. And I promise you, I'm ready to find a wife.
Okay. Son, I'm happy that you are able to come clean. It takes maturity to do what you just did. Opening up to your father and I. So whatever you want to do, however you want to do it fast. Okay? And start now.
Well,
alright?
I'm happy notwithstanding that you talk like this.
Hello! I am back!
My darling! Welcome back!
Greatest family.
Look at you!
Wow, you both look good.
You look glorious.
So, how was the trip?
Oh, it was wonderful. It was great. You both look good.
Yes, baby, you look good too.
Thank you.
Hi, Dubin. How are you? How's your trip?
Oh, it was wonderful.
Oh, great. You look good.
As always. Thank
Right.
you. Oh, let me go upstairs, freshen up, okay? I'll be right back.
Okay, right.
There's trouble.
She's not looking bad.
Dad, I'll be right back.
Well, let's wait for the woman who says he will bring. Oh, why not get the maid to attend to her?
Yes.
Father,
Where are you going? You just returned from your trip.
don't worry, Father. I'll be back soon, okay? I'll be back soon.
Be careful.
Yes, sir. My queen! Nkechi! 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 My queen! Nkechi! See that there's nobody in this house. Why is this place looking so unkempt? Is it that Nkechi has not been sweeping this compound? Nkechi! Nkechi! Mama! What is happening? Why is everywhere so unkempt? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. No. God forbid. God forbid. Iche! Iche!
Who is that? Oh, Princess!
Yes.
Is that you?
Yes, it's me.
When did you come back?
I came back today.
Please, hi, welcome.
Where is Queen Norma? I'm just coming from her place, but I didn't see her. I didn't see Nkechi. And the house was looking so dirty, as if it hasn't been swept for months. I don't know what's going on. Even her backyard, there is this thing that looks like a grave there, which I've not been seeing. Please, Uncle, I'm confused though. Where is Queen Norma? What's the problem?
Princess. Honestly, I don't know how to tell you this.
Tell me what?
Some months ago, I was here when somebody walked in and told me that Norma is dead. That she died 2 days before even coming to tell me. I was surprised because I didn't hear about it. So I rushed to the house to know if it is true or not. I didn't see anybody. So I rushed to the palace to see the Igwe and the prince and tell them what happened. Because your brother, Prince, was the cause of the whole thing.
Are you saying that my brother caused her death?
Few days before the rumor of Norma's death came up, Norma and Nkechi was coming back from the farm and your brother hit Norma with his car. Not only that, he hit Norma with his car, he came out from the car and beat Norma mercilessly.
He hit her? So which hospital did they take her to?
Hospital?
Yes.
Hospital. They did not take Norma to any hospital. They did not take her to hospital. So when I heard about the death, I went there. I mean, the day Nemeka hit her, I rushed to the house and saw Norma's condition and rushed to the palace to tell the prince and this thing what happened.
And they didn't take her to the hospital?
They did not take her to any hospital.
So you are telling me that Mommy Norma is dead?
Killed by your brother Prince Nemeka.
And they refused to take her to the hospital?
Okay, well.
Ichi, I will see you later.
Yes, I want us to be happy. Yes, our daughter came back successfully, and I just want us to use this one to make her refreshed. Then when she returns, we'll do it properly. You respect, so God of our sisters are right. Okay?
I'm brought her home safe.
What have you done? What have you done?
Princess,
what did you do? What did you do?
Princess,
what did you do? What did you do?
Princess,
just don't leave me alone.
Please,
just leave me alone.
Let me explain.
What did you do?
Let me explain to you.
Why did you kill her? You this wicked man. Why did you kill her? Why did you kill her? Why did you kill her?
It's okay.
Let me be.
It's okay. It's okay.
You all are wicked. You all are wicked. You have succeeded in killing that innocent woman. You have succeeded in killing her, right? Don't worry. I will make sure I tell everyone what you did. I will tell everybody. I will sue you all to court. Stop. You all will be arrested because you're evil and wicked. What did that woman do to you?
You can be on here. Will you stop this?
Father, don't tell me that. Don't say that to me.
Look at him there.
I will kill him. I will kill him.
Go
If he has to die.
My queen, I am sorry. I am sorry for not being here with you before your death. If I knew I wouldn't see you, I wouldn't have traveled. I wouldn't have left the country. Now I can't bid you my final goodbye. And I cannot see you again. Queen, please forgive me. Forgive me for leaving you. Forgive me, my queen.
I am the one that caused this upon myself. I am the one that fetched this infected firewood. Okomere bolama, obio mama, raputagonomo, obio mama, raputagonomo. Give me good, baby. Give me good, give me good, give me good, baby. Ijua, bugamike. I don't know what to do. Maramika, baby. Ijua, bugamike.
Rest in peace, my queen. Rest in peace.
I think she ought to be here because what I want to say concerns her.
Concerns her. Well, if you can persuade her to join us.
But Father, if she doesn't want to, be part of the conversation, you don't have to force her.
Okay, Your Majesty, let me try. Let me try and see.
I mean, if she doesn't want to be part of the conversation, you don't have to force her. You don't have to force her.
Let him try.
I'll try. Let me try. Go ahead, see if I can convince her.
Dad,
let him try. Go ahead.
Listen, don't waste my time. Just come and say what you have to say. We're busy people, please.
Okay, Your Majesty. My prince, excuse me.
Dad, I don't understand. You just listen to everybody. I understand that you're a king,
Anywhere
but
anybody comes from, you open the
you're too kind.
Good day. Sorry to disturb you. There's something I want to tell members of the royal family, and I want it to be there.
I am not interested.
I think when you hear what I have to say, you'll be interested because it concerns you. Your Majesty, I'm back. And she's here.
Now that she's here, my family is complete. So, can we hear you?
Like I said before, I have a confession to make.
Okay.
Which one be you have a confession to make? Wait, does this palace look like a church to you?
I don't understand.
Or my husband now is like looks like a clergyman to you? Okay, meanwhile confession, go to church and do your confession.
Go straight to the point.
Okay,
Enough! Enough, my queen! You are the reason I am in this condition that I find myself. Because of the misdeed that you made us to commit.
Mwa!
Yes!
Hey!
Your Majesty.
Who paid you? Who paid you to come here to slander me?
Sorry, let me take care of this man.
You know the truth.
Ma'am, take care of him.
Your Majesty. For the past 15 years, I've been married without a child.
Okay. So what's our business?
And the nurse that I committed this crime with committed suicide some few years ago without a child. And everywhere we went to, I was asked to go and confess. To go and confess.
Confess then?
Wait. Confess about what?
I don't understand.
Confess, get on a church.
Your Majesty, the prince here and the princess are not the biological children of this your queen.
You lie! Who paid you? Who paid you to come and do this now? Do you want to break my home?
Dikeh, wait.
Hey!
Let's hear him out.
Sorry, you said what?
I'm not lying, Your Majesty. The prince and your princess, your children, belong to your first wife, Unama, and not this your queen, Dikeh.
What have you got to say? Okay, wait. That time, I was out of the country. And when I returned, I was told Norma delivered a dead baby. But she successfully had these twins. So, pick it up from there.
Yes. This your wife here cannot conceive in her life because her womb was removed mistakenly out of abortion. When you got married to her and your first wife got pregnant, she became worried and ran to us to save her marriage because she knew that her secret will soon be made known. So we faked her pregnancy.
So she was never pregnant?
She wasn't pregnant. We faked the pregnancy, and that was why she couldn't allow you to touch her throughout that period of that faked pregnancy.
I can remember she said she didn't want to lose the baby since she said she didn't want to. I never really touched her. That's true. Yes.
Yes. So when it was time for your first wife to be delivered of her baby, she ran back to us again and paid me so that we can go and look for somebody to bring a small child to her. And she went to a hotel where she lodged. When your wife, your first wife, delivered your prince and the princess here, we sedated her and she went to sleep. We now took your son here, your prince and the princess, to her in our hotel room. When the first wife woke up, we told her her baby died and we buried the baby. That is my confession.
This same woman, we related her to an extent that Kira, Mama is dead.
Oh my God. You didn't want the truth to come out because you knew what you did.
So, what's this man saying? Is it true? You are still lying. Are you still lying? Are you still lying?
Oh. How do we pacify that innocent woman? How do we convince her that? How do we persuade her that?
Mother, you're evil! You are evil!
Gods of my life.
For so many years!
Gods of my life. Thank you for exposing this. Thank you.
Hey, no come out. Come on. Sorry, you were around.
Hey!
Yeah? Okay. Oh, wait. No, wait. Say one place.
Hey!
You make up one thing. Officer, come. Come and take it. Including this stupid, this doctor. Move! Sorry. I said move. The doctor? Oh yeah, we are really there. Okay. Didn't can come back. He will run though. He will run.
Hey! Didn't go.
They cannot run. Move. Hey! Have you seen it? I told you that this woman is the devil. Have you seen it? Look at the person you called your mother. She is evil. Hey! She is evil. Have you seen it? You killed your mother. Your own mother, normal, you killed her.
My beloved mother, I stand beside your grave with a heavy heart. If I knew you were my mother, I would have treated you like a queen you were supposed to be. I'm very sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry.
Run away, they will corrupt you. Good people like you, they don't deserve good people like you. Remember, no matter how sweet this life is for you now, this your wickedness, we never pay you good.
I wish I knew she was my mother. I would have been happier. At least there would be more joy knowing that she was my mother. God, how do I do this? Because I am dying. I am dying inside.
My daughter is okay. Stand up, let's go home.
I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I will stay here.
You can't stay here. This place is too low for you. You don't belong here.
I don't belong here. I don't belong here. But you abandoned my mother here for so many years. So if my mother can live here for so long, then I can. Go back to your mansion. I will stay here.
Son, let's talk to your sister so we can go home. She doesn't belong here. She's a princess. What will people say? That she lives in
What will people say? Father, did you just say that? Are you aware of what you have done? Father, you left my mother here for years. Do you know the gravity of what you have done? You made me kill my mother. I killed my mother. Go back to the palace. My sister and I will remain here.
No, don't do that, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Let's go back to the palace. We'll resolve it.
What? Father, there is nothing to be resolved. Our mother is dead. It's over. Go back to the palace. We're not coming with you.
My princess, when did you come back from the UK? You did not tell me you're back from the UK. How are you?
Is this you?
I told you. Mom, are you alive?
Mom, you're alive?
Yes.
You're alive!
Mom, Mom, you're...
My princess, what happened? Why is it?
They said you were dead.
Why is the prince calling me mom? What happened? My prince, please, you cannot kneel for me.
No, you have to forgive me. Forgive everything we have done.
Why is he begging and calling
Please,
me mom? What happened?
forgive everything I have done.
It's a long story. But the summary is that you are a biological mom. Ginika is not our mother.
She's not. I don't understand. What kind of a joke is this?
Sit down. That was what happened. I was surprised when the doctor came to tell me all this. And Ginika did not deny any of the stories. My consolation is that they are all suffering from the crime they committed. Because as I speak, they are in police custody. How could I have known that my son and my daughter were not the biological children of Ginika? And while all this was going on, they were out there suffering what you know nothing about. I am sorry you went through this and we didn't know that it was all falsehood. Please find a place in your heart to forgive us. Please.
All my life, I've lived my life as a childless woman. Not knowing that my own children are around with another woman. One of them sees me as an enemy. And even called me a witch. To the extent he wanted to waste my life. He wanted to kill me for nothing. If not for the princess that treated me like a mother. That gave me succor. And brought you into my life. I've been dead. In this life, no matter what you go through, do not die. Because if I had died, who would have spoken for me? Who would have defended me? Who would have spoken the truth? I would have died a childless woman. I would have been forgotten and forsaken. Would you have been here if not for these children? Would you have come? Would you have remembered me to come? My beautiful children. I'm here blaming the gods for not giving me children.
Mother, I'm sorry for everything. I understand how you feel. I'm very ashamed of myself. But the truth is, we were not raised well. Our father and Ginika did not raise us well. Ginika literally told us that when we were much younger, you attempted to kill us because you hated us so much.
Me?
She said you wanted to poison us. So we grew up with that impression. And we never wanted to see you. Anytime we saw you, we just hated you and didn't want to have anything to do with you. But she lied. Our father is the cause of everything. I'm going to say it to his face. He's the cause of everything.
Prince, will you stop it? What is your problem? If you want to ask mother for forgiveness, do that and stop apportioning blames. Was it not the same story Ginika told you and I? But did I act like you towards mom? Did I? Stop apportioning blames and do the right thing.
My queen, please get your things ready and let us go home. Please.
Obide, which home? The palace. I am not going there. This is my home. My princess. My child. You know where to find me. I've always known here, right? Yes. Anytime you want to see me, you can come here to see me.
Princess, like you rightly said, this is not the time to apportion blames. I totally agree with you. But at this point, we need you to help us talk to our mother. You're the only one who can speak to her. She listens to you. Speak to her whilst we remain sorry for everything we have done. Please.
I'm alive today, all thanks to Kechi.
Mother, I'm not worthy to come close to you. I'm not worthy to call you mother. I'm so ashamed of myself. But I make this promise today that as long as I live, I will never do anything to hurt you again. I don't know what came over me, but please, give me a second chance. I promise to treat you right. I promise it will never happen again. I give you my word.
Stand up.
Please. Mom. Forgive your son. I know he behaved badly towards you, but he's sorry. You know what Ginika told him? All the lies. She told him that you were a witch. Please, mother, forgive him.
My princess, no matter what, does he have any right to beat an old woman, to assault an old woman?
No.
Stand up.
Norma, I want to let you know that whatever that happens in anyone's life happens for a reason. At least, I'm happy you are alive to witness this today. What happened between you and Ginika should also teach you that you should not trust anybody, no matter the closeness. Eh? And it will also teach you that all that glitters are not gold. You had your son, you had your daughter. please, I want you to forgive your son. No matter what, he is still your son. You cannot wash him away. He's still your son. Forgive him. Thank you. And Nkechi, thank you so much for saving her life. You are a godsend. Thank you so much.
Nkechi, thank you.
Thank you.
You know I've not said anything to you because I know I owe you a lot. Nkechi, I will not reveal what I would do for you, but I will shock you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ichie, thank you. And she will do it. Ichie, regardless, you have been there for me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And Princess, even when you knew I wasn't your mother, you treated me like a mother. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. For my son, I forgive you. From the depth of my heart, I forgive you.
Go and hug your mother now. Thank you. Please, go and hug your mother. She has forgiven you. Go and hug her.
People are now smiling at the face, but we get inside. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ bụzi ndị iwe dị n'obi mana amụ dị n'eze. So be careful, people you call your friends, 'cause they don't deserve good people like you. They don't deserve you. Good people like you. They don't deserve you in their life. Like you. Run away, they will corrupt you. Good people like you. They don't deserve good people like you. No matter how sweet this life is for you now, it's your wickedness. We never pay you good. Rather, it will destroy you. Rather, it will destroy you.
The queen of this Alama kingdom. The queen of Alama kingdom. You're welcome.
Our queen, you're welcome.
Hi, Mama.
Iwe.
Yes, I greet you.
My daughter, you're Nkechi. Hi, everyone's on my. It's your one. Everyone's on my. Welcome to the palace. Hi. Guys, sit down. You can have to make. Oh, good gentlemen. That's what the gentleman. Okay, sit down.
But at least the gods see you.
Thank you very much, and thank you, elders of Aloma Kingdoms. It's your case here.
Lola, the queen of Aloma Kingdom. Noma.
Thank you.
Mama, it's okay.
My son, my princess. Thank you. My husband, I'm sorry, I have a simple request to make.
Go ahead.
My son, ever since he has been coming around, doing one or two things in my house, I've never seen him come with any girl. He's supposed to have been married by now. So I don't want him to look anymore because I got him one beautiful maiden. A girl that took care of me like no other. She loved me regardless. Even more than her own mother. And that is Nkechi.
Hey!
My son.
Nkechi? Mother?
She was there for me. She stood by me. And I believe that is the same way she's going to take care of my son. I know.
Oh, that, what do you want?
He's a changed man now.
Okay. How are you? Come.
Thank you very much, my people. Thank you for everything. I appreciate. Thank you.
Oh my Lord, my friend! Yeah. Oh my Lord, my friend! Yeah. Oh my Lord, my question! Yeah.
Let's celebrate. Let's go in and celebrate. You come, let's go.
Right.
Everybody come in and celebrate.
Okay, okay, go market.
Let's go in and celebrate. Let's go.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Hey! Oh my God.
Oh, she hide the truth. She want to hide it forever. She's very wicked. On my son Kenya. Oh, I don't want you. I change it. I change it. I change it. From good to bad, she's no longer the good person you used to know. From good to bad, she's no longer the good person you used to know. Obiterayam Miri, from good to bad, she's no longer the good person you used to know. Obiterayam Miri, from good to bad, she's no longer the good person you used to know. Nobody is to trust.